I remember once what happened. Guru Maharaj went to one place, and there devotees were being hidden by dacoits and all, because they were not allowing to build a temple. So finally Guru Maharaj asked from police, help from the police. Even police were not supportive. So the devotees were getting hit, and there was so much pain and cut in their body. The Guru Maharaj became so angry, his eyes became so red. He's like, I'm going to the police station. So he went to the police station. But there everyone thought Guru Maharaj might shout at the police or do something. But he just offered obeisances. With his danda, he paid obeisance to the police. And the police were like, Swamiji, what are you doing? Please don't do this. So Maharaj was not offering obeisance to that body. He was offering to the Paramatma there. Because if the Paramatma in the police inspires, the police will support us. We are not offering respects to that body, but we are offering respect to the super soul within everyone's heart.